Hello, this is Blockiasaurus with Metaplex, and I just wanted to show off a quick demo of our new NPX scaffold for bootstrapping your agent locally. So you can run it directly through NPX. So NPX, create-metaplex-agent. We're going to call it Outdoor Fun. This is going to clone the master template, which we just announced, so people can bootstrap it from master runtime for agentic commerce with all these built-in Solana tools, direct bootstrapping with the Metaplex-agent registry, and so on. There are two types of agent modes you can choose. There's the public one, which is more of a public service agent where many users are coming and interacting with it. It provides suggested transactions. Say you want a wallet cleanup agent. That would be an example of a public service one where users go. The agent classifies and gives options for burning assets in the user's wallet. And then you have autonomous agents, which are more like personal assistants, where you give it some escrowed funds and it uses those funds to trade or do custom on-chain jobs and stuff like that. But for now, we're going to go with the public. We need to create a key pair for the agent's hot wallet. We're going to use OpenAI for inference. So I will paste my API key. DevNet default is fine for now. And then I'm going to put in my wallet pub key, which is going to be enable me to interact directly with the agent and allow me to bootstrap it with the proper wallet signing. So now we go into the Trogdor directory. We do pngam install, then pnpm dev full, and this is going to install the dependencies, obviously, and then also clone the agent chat template, which you can use to chat with your agent directly via a normal chatbot interface, and also, of course, run the agent server in the background. So once this is done, this will print out a link, which you can go to visit the test UI directly for the agent chat. And once that's done, it's going to load the chat interface. We have this nice profile methodology where you can save a profile so you can come back and chat with the agent later. This is stored in local storage, so you can wipe it if you want. So save and connect. I'm now connected with my agent, and you can see it hasn't done anything yet. There are no current tools registered because I need to sign in, just verifying my identity. And now you can see all this helpful debug information, all the different tools the agent has access to, buying back a token, transferring tokens, getting data, that kind of stuff. But just for fun, we'll ask it what it's actually capable of doing. And it's going to obviously tell me that has all these tools, but it's also going to ask for funds so it can bootstrap itself. It wants to register an agent identity as well. So it needs funds to start doing that. We're going to give it some DevNet Sol to do that. Everything's running on DevNet. It's super easy just as a test use case. Okay, so start the process now. I am now registered and ready. So if we wanted to, we can see the steps it's taken on the end. It's delegating execution to its hot wallet. But we can see I've registered myself as this agent. And so we go to metaplex.com/agents/thing. And let's see. I go to Solana DevNet, which is why it's not showing up because I didn't remember the URL parameter. And there we go. Now we can see it. And now for fun, let's launch a token. We're going to need some more funds. For link one sold to yourself for more funding because I need a little bit more money to pay the Genesis rent fees and config. Right, I've funded it some more. Now let's launch a token. Your token. We pick the details. Asking for some more soul. I must have sent it to the wrong place. Now we'll proceed with launching the token. And then this is actually running in the background. It has a whole worker loop it's running with. It's not just a simple chat bot that's responding in the background. Okay, so we have launched the token. Here's the link to it. And we can see the Solana agent token is live.